Appointments are any bookings that use time slots, such as collecting or dropping off pets, grooming, walking, or bathing. The red number here indicates the number of appointments you have scheduled for the day, and you can see all of your appointments for the week on the calendar that opens when you select this appointment menu. The appointment calendar defaults from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., but if you carry out appointments at different times, go to Account Settings, Time Settings. Update the Appointment section to create a new time range. You can add appointments that you offer under Account Settings, Services and Costs, Appointments. We have provided some default appointments, but you can edit or delete these if they are not services you offer. If you have different rates for the same appointment, you can either use special rates to override the standard rate in the cost section of the booking, or you can set the appointment up with a zero cost and add the amount owed in the Other Charges section. Please watch our videos on special rates and other charges for more information on this. Now you can create an appointment booking. You can either add an appointment to a boarding or daycare booking, or you can create an appointment-only booking. Click the Create a Booking button and go to the Appointment section. Select the appointment from the drop-down list, choose the pet the appointment is for, select the date and time of the appointment, and save the booking. If you want to add any additional details about the appointment, press the Add Additional Details button and complete the extra information. If other people carry out appointments for you, they can be set up with their own individual appointment calendar under Account Settings, Users. Your users can be assigned an appointment under the Additional Details section, and that appointment will appear in their calendar. For more information about setting up individual appointment calendars, please watch our users tutorial video. If you do not assign the appointment to anyone specific, the appointment defaults to anyone and will appear in the Anyone calendar. If you offer transport as part of your service, you can easily add pickup and drop-off to a booking by clicking this plus icon. Select Pickup and this window will appear, showing the time of check-in and the customer's address. If you need to update these details, you can override the time and select a different pickup address. If you have a repeat daycare booking, the system will assume that collection is required for every repeat and will add this appointment accordingly. If you want to add a second appointment to the booking, select Add Another Appointment and add the appointment details. To add a second pet, press Add Another Pet and complete the pet's details. You can also create bookings from the appointment calendar. Click on a time on the user's calendar who will carry out the appointment, and you will be taken to the booking page to complete the booking details. There is an orange plus icon next to those appointments which have additional details. Click on the booking to open it and see these extra details. The edit pen allows you to update the booking if you need to make any changes. There are various calendar views. Use the Options drop-down to select individual staff members' calendars. If you want to view all of your appointments at once, select the Team calendar. To limit appointments that appear on the calendar, use the tick box under the Options menu. Select the appointment type you want displayed, for example, grooming, and press Go. The appointment chart on the dashboard allows you to check pets in or out. If the check-in and out times differ from the time on the booking times will be updated. If you press this chevron icon, a slide-in diary appears with a list of all the appointments you have for the day. This list can also be filtered using the tick boxes provided, and it includes check-ins and check-outs. The Excel icon allows you to download the list displayed on the screen in Excel format. The Excel version contains extra customer details, such as the address and phone number, which you might find especially useful if you offer transport. This icon allows you to download all of your appointments into Google Calendar. If you want to sync individual calendars, go to that user's calendar and select the Google Calendar button in the Options drop-down. Please note, only your appointments can be synced with Google Calendars. This function does not work for boarding or daycare bookings. Appointments can be printed off by using the Print button in the Options menu, and the printed version includes any additional details added to each appointment. If you do not need the appointment feature and don't want it to show on your booking screen, delete all of the default appointments from Account Settings and the appointment module will disappear. You can always reintroduce this feature at a later date by simply adding some appointments to the list.